Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the career in the pharmacy. So before starting the topic, the career in the bachelor in pharmacy, uh, I like to highlight some points like what people are thinking, why we should go with the pharmacy career. तो मेरे ख्याल से 30 to 40% people who are thinking that the pharmacy having a good opportunities compared to the engineering. So we cannot compare the both field like a pharmacy and engineering. So both are the different field. I will like to highlight the pharmacy. It is a medical testing field. It related to the medicinal field. तो कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनको मैथ्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता है कि उनको मैथ्स से घबराहट होती है सो दे कैन चूज दिस करियर एज अ फार्मेसी. Some people they don't get the admission in the MBBS, so they can choose the career in the pharmacy. So, and some people are thinking there is a higher opportunity or higher employment in the pharmacy. So I will discuss all the aspects what actually pharmacy having and what opportunities you are getting in pharmacy and why or why not you should the career in the pharmacy. So before starting the career in the B pharmacy, after you're passing your higher secondary educations, I like to highlight some people are going for D pharmacy. So my opinion or my suggestion is that if you are going for the higher educations like a B farm after a D farm, so it is my personal opinion. Don't prefer to go for the D farm. Yes. When you will choose the career in D farm, when you have a set goal, like you have to run the retail medical shop, or you have to do the wholesale of the medicine, so that time you can choose the D Pharm as a career. Why? Because if you did your D Pharmacy after 12, after that you will get directly admission to the second year in the B Pharmacy. But if you consider you totally wasting your 5 years for completing your bachelor of pharmacy degree. So my opinion is if you are going for the B pharmacy, then don't look over for the D pharmacy. So this is my personal opinion. It will waste your 1 year of your life and 1 year of the career. So talking about the B pharmacy course. So B pharmacy is a 4 years of course like engineering. All having 8 semesters, practical examinations, all that. So after completion of B pharmacy, the screen itself showing what opportunities you are getting in the industry. So industry you are getting first is the sales. Sales it is a marketing department. You will get opportunities in the product selling with consulting with the physicians. So you can sell your products. Marketing is department. Uh, Other one is a hospital pharmacist. It is a chemist job which you can do in the hospital. Government job. Government job, the drug inspector. Yes, drug inspector is a very white collar job. We can say in the pharmaceutical field. You get the highest amount of respect and the pharmaceutical field. But to getting a drug inspector, you must have at least 5 to 6 year industrial experience for the production QA QC. You cannot get the drug inspector job or the government job without any doing of industrial experience. So retailership I talked earlier that is the retailers we get the you can run your own pharmacy shop or you can do wholesalers of your medicines. So production department is nothing but the productions of the medicines in the huge amount of quantity. So after productions one department is the quality control we called as a QC department. In QC department you can test your the medicine and that should be determine the testing of medicine which is as per the specific requirement are there or not. Quality assurance department it is nothing but the we can show the police inspector department in our day-to-day life. It is the inspecting the all documentary aspects from the productions to the quality controls and we are meeting the specification or not. So store department is the warehouse where all the chemicals, raw materials can be stored. So from it is like a clerical jobs in the store departments, R&D department. It is the major departments in the pharmaceutical field where the new formulations or the new inventions can be take place. So as per my opinions or as per my experience, nowadays it is difficult to get opportunities in the R&D after pass out from the bachelor of pharmacy, or we can say the graduate degree. So day by day the competition is increasing, and the industry expectations is a more educated peoples that they are getting. So B Farm who are rarely get the opportunities to work in the R&D. So these topics I will like to discuss in my next video, where I will talk about the what will be next after your pass out from the B Farm. So definitely that video is very important for your career prospects. So biotechnological industry, it is nothing but the industry where the production of the vaccine can be take place. So it is same like a pharmaceutical or the part of pharmaceutical industries. Another one is the clinical trial departments, but nowadays the clinical trial departments where the animal testing can be take place before any human trials, or the before any human trials, the medicines that can be produced, that can be tested in the animal. For the clinical trials also, nowadays the specialized degree or there should be required a higher education after the B Farm. So these topics I also like to discuss in my next video. So these are the few departments where you can work after you are pass out from the Bachelor of Pharmacy. So one point I like to highlight here that although that the B Pharmacy it is the same as a 4 years course at the engineering, but we cannot compare the both field with respect to the your earning, then what we call the salary and your job profile. Both field are totally different with respect to salary and earning. So now we are talking about the B Pharmacy job opportunities. I like to highlight one point, that is the what is the remunerations or the what is the salary you will get after the pass out from the B Pharmacy. So before I am talking about the salary, you should not or we cannot compare our the B Farm salary with the engineering salary, because pharmacy it is very steady field with compared to the other field. You cannot expect the higher amount of salary from B Pharmacy, or if you are doing any job in the industry like the production QA/QC, you have to start your career in the industrial jobs with salary expectation of minimum 8 to 10,000 per month after your B Farm. So please note that. So those who are in the intention that after pass out from the B Farm you will get the higher amount of salary, so it is not like that. Make sure that the pharmacy it is a very steady field, and you can grow very steadily or very slowly in the industry with respect to salary. So we have to be patient for the earning or the salary getting. You can call it the number of experience and the number of CTC per annum we are getting. It's somewhat close, or it should be somewhat less. It is very rare you will get the higher salary after you are getting experience after 10 to 15 years. So this you have to strictly make your mind that you should not expect a higher amount of salary at the initial stage when you have passed out as a bachelor of pharmacy. So one more important topic I like to highlight, that is a competition. So we all know that every field having a huge amount of competition. The same like a pharmacy. You should not think that the pharmacy very having a very less amount of college, or the number of college are of the pharmacy are very less compared to the engineering college. Yes, if we compare with the engineering, yes, pharmacy college is very less. It doesn't mean that the our competitions is going to end. Yes, because the pharmacy it is a science field, so you have competitions of the bachelor in science or the master in science. What